Hello students, welcome back to another video. Next problem, the value of 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on infinity is equal to. Let x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus and so on infinity. X is equal to 3 plus something. 3 plus something is x. Okay. This implies x is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus something. This is totally x. 3 plus something is x. So this is x. This implies x is equal to 3 plus 1 by, here LCM x, 4 into x, 4x plus 1. That implies x is equal to 3 plus 4x plus 1 by x, taking numerator x by 4x plus 1. This implies x is equal, here LCM 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 into 3. 3 into 4x plus 1 plus x. This can be written as x into 4x plus 1. 3 into 4x 12x. 3 into 1 3 plus x. This implies 4 into x 4x square plus x. 1 into x is equal to 12x plus 3 plus x. X get cancelled, implies 4x square plus 12x ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే minus 12x plus 3 ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే minus 3 equal to 0. Variable x. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 12, c equal to minus 3. Formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. abc value substitute in this formula. Minus of minus 12 plus minus root over minus 12 whole square. 4 into a value is 3, b value is minus 3 by 2 into 4. X is minus into minus plus 12 plus minus. Minus square is plus, 12 whole square is 144. Minus into minus plus. 4 into 3 12. 12 3 is a 36 by a value 4. 4 into 4 16. 16 4 is a 16 3 is a 48. Sorry, here a value is 4, b value is minus, c value is minus 3 by 8. X is equal to 12 plus or minus root over 192 by 8. 12 plus minus root over 16 into 12, 192 by 8. X is equal to, so root 16 is 4. 12 plus minus 4 root 12 by 8. Okay, here 4 common. 3 plus or minus root 12 by 8. 2. X is equal to 3 plus minus 2 root 3. 4 into 3 12. Root 4 is 2 by 2. Okay, here x is greater than 0. If you take x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2. This implies x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Here 1.5. X is equal to 1.5 plus root 3 is the final answer. That's enough. Thank you. Let alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation is x square plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This equation roots are alpha comma beta. Then the value of modulus of alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 is. Okay, now solution. Given equation is x square plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x square is equal to minus 1 taking this side plus 1 plus 2a is minus 2y. Okay,
is a quadratic equation. Alpha is a root of this equation. This is number 1. Okay. Alpha comma beta are roots of this equation. Alpha is a root of equation number 1. 1 implies alpha square is equal to 1 minus 2i. Similarly, beta square is also 1 minus 2i. Okay. Alpha square whole square is equal to 1 minus 2i whole square. This implies 2 into 2, 4. Alpha power 4 is equal. This is a minus b whole square form. 1 square is 1 plus 2i square, 4i square. B square is 2i whole square is 4i square minus 2ab. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 4i. Okay, that implies I square value is minus 1. Since I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, alpha power 4 equal to 1 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4i. Alpha power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 4i, that is equal to minus 3 minus 4i. Alpha power implies alpha power 4 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i. Similarly, beta power 4 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i. Okay, alpha power 4 whole square is equal to minus 3 minus 4i whole square. This is a plus b whole, minus common, minus into minus plus. Okay, a plus b whole square form. B, a square is 9, 3 square is 9 plus 16i square plus 6, 3 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24i. 4 2 is 8. Alpha power 8 equal to I square is minus 1. 9 minus plus 16 into minus 1 plus 24i. Alpha power 8 is equal to 9 minus 16 plus 24i. That implies alpha power 8 is equal to minus 7 plus 24i. Okay. Similarly, beta power 8 is equal to minus 7 plus 24i. Okay. Alpha power 8 equal to minus 7 plus 24i. Beta power 8 equal to minus 7 plus 24i. Alpha power 8 is minus 7 plus 24i. Similarly, beta power 8 to minus 7 plus 24i. Okay. Alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 equal to minus 7 plus 24i plus minus 7 plus 24i. 2 times there. 2 into minus 7 plus 24i minus 14 into 48i. Okay, alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 is equal. Mod alpha power 8 plus beta power 8 equal root over real part square plus imaginary. Minus 14 imaginary part whole square. Minus 14 whole square plus 48 whole square. Okay. 1 minute. 2 into minus 7 plus 24i. 2 write in outside. This is easy process. Minus 7 real part. Minus 7 whole square plus 24 whole square. 2 into under root. Minus square is plus. Okay. 7 square is 49 plus 24 into 24. 576 whole square. Root over 576 plus 49, 625. That is equal to 2 into 625 root over 25 whole square. Square root cancel. 2 into 25. That equal to 50. This is the final answer. That's enough.
Another problem, let alpha be a root of the equation 1 plus x square plus x power 4 equal to 0. Then alpha power 1011 plus alpha power 2022 plus minus alpha power 3033. Okay, now solution. Given equation is 1 plus x square plus x power 4 equal to 0. This implies x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square is equal to 0. X power 4, 2x square minus x square plus 1. This can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. Okay, x square whole square is x power 4 plus 1 whole square is 1, 2ab, 2 into x square, 2x square. Okay, this is a square minus b square form. X square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x is equal to 0. This implies x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, cubic root of unity 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to plus or minus omega square. Okay, now 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Okay, omega cube is equal to 1. If you find alpha power 1011 plus alpha power 2022 minus alpha power 3033, that is equal to alpha cube whole power 337. 337 into 3, 1011 plus alpha cube whole power 2 into 337 minus alpha cube whole power 3 into 337. Okay, alpha cube value is 1. Here 1 plus alpha plus 1 plus alpha square equal to 0. Alpha cube is also 1. Okay, 1 power 337 plus 1 power 3, 2 into 337 minus 1 into 1 power 3 into 337. 1 power any value is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1. The 1 is the final answer. That's enough. Thank you.